Hey guys, how's it going? Before we get started with the online course, I want to answer a few simple questions that get asked pretty much all the time. And the first question is, are we telling you the story of 900 Bitcoins just to brag? Now, 900 Bitcoins had a pretty amazing success story. It started in 2013, and in 2014 it already generated 120K in revenue. Now, when I started out this website, I didn't know anything about Bitcoin. I had no prior knowledge. And I'm not telling you the story just to brag, and you also have a very in-depth case study later on. I'm telling you this in order for you to understand that even if you don't know anything about Bitcoin, you can create the same success as well using the tools we'll teach you in this online course. Now, the second question we usually get following this first question is, so will I have to know anything about online marketing since you know a lot about online marketing? And the answer to this is also no, since we're going to teach you everything from A to Z, exactly what you need to know about online marketing in order to copy the success of 99 Bitcoins. Another question we get asked a lot is, well, do I have to have a Bitcoin business in order for this to succeed, since you're talking about building your own Bitcoin business? And again, this answer here is no, you don't have to have any Bitcoin business up and running. You may have a Bitcoin business, that's amazing because you're going to benefit tremendously from the tools inside this course. But even if you don't have a Bitcoin business, we're going to explain to you step by step how to build your own Bitcoin business. And the last question we get asked for, which is my personal favorite, is, will I make as much money as you do if I finish this course? And the answer, of course, it depends. And it depends on if you take action or not. I know so many people who learn everything about almost everything and don't take any course of action. Just going through this course won't get you anywhere. There's going to be homework and there's going to be assignments, and you have to follow through on each and every one of them and make sure you're building your own success. So yes, it is possible to make the same amounts of money through the Bitcoin ecosystem, but you're going to have to put some effort into it. It's not going to happen just by watching this course. So I hope I answered all of your questions, and now we're good to go, and I'll see you in the next video.